Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tiara Elijah and I am from the English Education Program at STKIP Al Maksum. In this video, I will present the title and background of my undergraduate thesis proposal, which is also the subject of my current research. The title of my study is Improving Student Listening Skill by Using Total Physical Response Method at MTS Darul Arafah, Pangkalan Berandan. This research focuses on the improvement of junior high school students' listening comprehension skills, particularly in response to the problems they face in understanding spoken English. I aim to explore the effectiveness of the Total Physical Response or TPR method, especially when it is combined with English songs as listening materials to create a more active and engaging learning process. Based on my preliminary observation at MTS Darul Arafah Pangkalan Berandan, several problems were identified. Students have difficulty understanding or English instruction. Their vocabulary is limited. They are unfamiliar with real-life English pronunciation. They lack confidence and motivation in listening activities. Teaching methods are often passive and monotonous, and the use of English songs as listening tools is rarely applied in classroom. This issue negatively affects student engagement and learning outcomes and listening. To address these problems, I applied the Total Physical Response or TPR method developed by James Asser, which combines verbal commands with physical movement. According to Crescent 1982, TPR provides comprehensible input and helps students acquire language in a low-anxiety environment. This method mimics how children learn their first language by listening, then physical responding before they start speaking. By integrating English songs into the TPR framework, students not only develop their listening comprehension but also enjoy the learning process more. Studies such as Murphy 1992 and Medney 2018 support the idea that songs enhance vocabulary acquisition and reduce listening anxiety. Previous research at STKIP Al-Maksum and other institutions shows that TPR improves both listening and speaking skill. However, many of these studies do not combine TPR with music, and few focus especially on listening comprehension in junior high school settings. This gap led me to propose a classroom action research that appraise how TPR supports by song-based learning can enhance student ability to understand spoken English in a more meaningful contextual way. This study contributes to their main areas. For students, it creates a fun, interactive learning experience that improves listening and builds confidence. For teacher, it provides an innovative method for teaching listening using movement and music. For future research, it serves as a reference for combining multiple teaching strategies to improve English language skill at the secondary levels. To conclude, this research is driven by the real needs of students at MTS Darul Arafah and supported by both theory and previous findings. By using the Total Physical Response method combined with English songs, I hope to improve students' listening skill and foster a more dynamic English learning environment. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand the background and focus of my proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.